Hello, my name is Yassim Mauricio, and today I want to show you something that will improve your manual work. I have worked many times in cantier, in construction sites. I am working manual jobs in my house, assembling furniture, disassembling furniture, and surely you have known or you have in your house a battery screwdriver like this one. It's a screwdriver that we normally use with different bits, right? It comes to your mind the annoyance and the problem of working on a ladder or in an uncomfortable place and having to go down to change the tip. But it is not only the problem of changing the tip over and over again, but the problem of losing the tips, breaking the tips, the boots, the tips, and losing money. I am going to share with you something spectacular for you and your craft work, or in a cantier or on a construction site. I want to tell you about our QuickBit prototype. It's a prototype that you're going to be able to change 6 bits in one.